Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to help you manage your money smarter. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic: how to close your Wealthfront account. Whether you're switching to another investment platform, simplifying your financial life, or just reevaluating your options, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and we'll cover everything you need to know to avoid any surprises. First things first, before you start, make sure you have your Wealthfront login details handy. You'll also want to double-check that you have no pending transactions or investments that could complicate things. Think about withdrawing funds or transferring assets ahead of time to keep things smooth. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account through their official website or mobile app. Once you're in, head over to the Account or Settings section, usually found in the main menu. Step 2. Look for an option labeled something like Account Management or Profile Settings. This is where you'll find the tools to manage your account details. Step 3. Scroll until you see Close Account or a similar prompt. Wealthfront prioritizes security, so they might ask you to verify your identity. Be prepared with any required information like your ID or answers to security questions. Step 4. If you have any balances, funds, or investments tied to your account, you'll need to handle those first. Withdraw your money or transfer it elsewhere to ensure everything is settled before proceeding. Keep in mind, there could be fees or tax implications, so it's wise to review Wealthfront's policies or consult a financial advisor. Step 5. Once you're ready, confirm your decision to close the account. Wealthfront will typically send a confirmation email, and your account should be closed within a few business days. And just like that, you're done. Closing an account might feel a bit daunting, but it's a great way to take control of your finances. If you run into any issues, Wealthfront's customer support is there to help. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more money management tips. See you next time.